Yup. So this is just going to be a short video, like 2 minutes or 1 minute.
Come on, let's go.
I'm really just excited for him.
Okay, let's go.
Check out my channel. Subscribe if you want. Oh, what's that? It's green.
It's green. What is this?
There's look. There's something there. What that say? Crispy rice. Oh, what's this? Pulveron!
Yeah.
We love pulveron in Philippines. Pulveron is one of the desserts here.
Yeah.
Let's try one.
Let's try one. We're gonna rate it 1 to 10.
Yep. Is it pulveron? Because it's hope. I think it is. Because hope. See, House of Pulveron. Hope. H-O-P.
Oh yeah, by the way, we're Filipino.
Yep.
Like
We're
Roy.
Filipino.
Like Roy, because we're a big fan of Roy. Oh.
Check here. Ooh, what's this? This is the pulveron in hope. There. Oopsie. There. H-O-P. It means House of Pulveron. Yeah, okay. Let's rate it 1 to 10. Wait. How can I hold this while I'm eating?
What is this?
That's pulveron on hope.
Oh.
Okay, can you see? Can you see us, guys? Cause hey,
Right. Yeah.
this is the pulveron.
Yeah,
The
here it
pulveron.
is. I'm gonna rate it 1 to 10.
Yep, me too. No. Okay, some please just flow.
So many. I guess so many. What do you rate it? Mine is 6, and yours is she's rated 10 and 10, and I'm 6 to 10. Alright.
I love it so much.
Reach the end of the video, guys. I'm sorry if I don't have any intro. I'm gonna make one if you want to.
But he still needs to figure out the password of his account to make a video.
Bye bye.
A intro.
Reach the end. Like, comment, or share kayo within Philippines, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.